Well, good morning. Look at the beauty out here this morning. Oh my goodness. Wow. The city is looking gorgeous this morning. We're gonna go see the volcano. Hopefully we can actually see it. Look at that. I should go to the rooftop and do a video from up there. I might, but for now let's get some coffee going. And yep, actually slept in a bit considering how early I've been getting up lately, so excellent. And gonna wait for the others to get up and then we'll go to the volcano. All right, we're all packed up, just leaving the place, and now we're gonna head out to Volcan Poás. I'll show you the route along the way. Beautiful weather. I need the key. Lock the door.
Oh, it doesn't lock?
It's a key. It's like an apartment key. And then we'll show you the route along the way. Hopefully the road isn't too bad for Mama, but we'll see. And yep, should be amazing. Hopefully the clouds aren't covering it. Doesn't look like it should, so.
30%
We gotta wait for our car to come out the elevator, and then it'll come out. There's like a whole storage thing of elevators here.
Elevator going up to here.
Wow.
40%.
Pretty cool. I hope we get to see it.
You mean it's only 40% up?
40% complete.
Or 40%
100%
complete?
Gotta get our car out of the elevator system we got in this condo.
50% done.
Pretty cool. Oh no, it's our car. You can see it came down on the elevator.
Hey, watch out because the doors are going to swing open.
Yeah. That's so cool.
Come and see, maybe you can see up.
Yeah, you can.
And they did turn it around.
Look at that. It even turns your car around for you. That's super cool. Look at the storage for the cars in here. Sweet.
That's pretty amazing.
Okay. Well, let me go and scan our card.
Oh, it's up. I don't know.
Where's
They
the
look
card?
like they open inwards. Gotta back up.
I don't know.
But mankind won't be destroyed.
Kilometers! Woo!
The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of
Oh yeah!
No drone.
is like... Well, we paid for our ticket to park, showed him the reservation, and now we're just, oh, buddy's showing us where to go. And now we're just gonna park and get our sweaters on because it is chilly up here, 14 degrees. And then we'll go see the volcano.
Here's your hot springs.
Alrighty, heading up the trail. Well, like the paved path, not really a trail, but looks like it's a pretty, like not steep, it's a gradual incline, so this is nice. Are you excited to see the volcano, Mama?
I am.
Hopefully we get a nice clear view of it. But we'll see whenever we get there. We'll show you at the top. Oh, and just to add, I think I said we started off at 920 meters. Now we're at 2,500 meters and heading up. So we will tell you once we're at the lookout how high we actually are to view the volcano.
There it is.
Yeah, see, there's a second road.
These people were passing the sign and I was like, did they not read the sign? But then I looked and there was nowhere for them to go. It's fun today.
Look at how fast those clouds are moving. Holy moly. Stop for a second so I can see it. Look at that.
Are you good with that smell? You okay? No?
All right, we made it to what I believe is the top of this mirador here for the volcano. I'm pumped. Beautiful little seating area down here. Let's see. The poor man's umbrella. Oh, you can't see anything. Oh. Oh, wow. Super cool.
We made it to the top of the volcano.
You don't see how far down that is on camera.
No, that is so far down. You can see the land like over there, just how high up it is. So. Yeah. Well, that's cool. Oh yeah, you get like a view of the over here. You can kind of see the water.
Chunk of gas right now.
Where'd he go? There he is. I don't know if I got him or not.
Alright, well that was a really cool volcano. Now we're just taking the side trail here to go see the other lookouts. Mom and Brad are going to head back down towards the car and hang out there. And then, yeah, so we'll show you along the way. Going up and up and up and up. Good thing you didn't come this way, Mom. This is quite the hike. Holy moly. Beautiful. But with the elevation and everything, it's a little difficult. Not too bad.
here running. Oh, there's a tent up there. I think we're there.
I think we're coming up to the Mirador.
And the sun. Oh, wow.
Come up here. Wow, that's cool. Wow. Maybe I should try to take a picture. Getting this video for you, Mom. Sorry you couldn't make it up. But I'll get this for you anyways. So it's a extinct crater filled with rainwater. It's still got some acidity due to the volcanic origin. So basically nothing lives in it. Pretty cool. It takes its name from the Indian tribe called Botos, which lived in the surroundings. I guess they don't anymore. Here's a picture of the thing I'm reading. And look at that.
Fall off the walking bridge. There, I just gave you a moment for the GoPro.
I was expecting it. Oh look, I don't know if you could see the blue through the trees there. Maybe here? Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know why nobody takes this way. It's just us on this part of the trail. But I mean, that's all right with us. It's just weird.
Well, it's also a one-way, so whoever is walking this trail is ahead of us, so.
Is it a one-way? It never said only one way. I think maybe they just know that
people are going to start from the top, I think.
Yeah, I guess so. But, or maybe they just know that this hiking trail is like super long or something, and now we're on an adventure, but it doesn't seem that bad, so, oh well. We get it all to ourselves. Looped around the lake a little bit. I don't know if you saw the blue through the trees off the footage, but now we're just going to make our way back to the visitor center, go where Mom and Brad are, and head back to San Jose.
Just think how high we climbed from the visitor center up to here, and then we had to climb up this. We still have to go down.
Oh yeah.
At some point.
Yeah. We'll see where we get going to. Well, holy hell, we made it up the incline. We gotta go down eventually though, because we've been going up and up and up, and we went up to go to the Poás Volcano, so whew, I think we're on quite a hike, but that's okay, it's beautiful. Probably not. I don't know if you can see, there's like steam coming off from the sun hitting the wet in here. Figured I'd pull this out just in case, but I highly doubt it's picking up anything. Oh, maybe. Look at the moss wall underneath the roots here. Super cool. Love this. Oh, just Alright, now we're on our way down. Stayed there. Wanted to get you on the camera. Holy, that was quite the decline for quite a while. My thighs are actually burning. Thank goodness you didn't come with us, Mom, because holy crap. We saw the exit sign back there, so we're close now. Still got a nice trail we're following here. But my God. Usually my legs are fine on downhills, but they're burning. Still surrounded by the beautiful jungle. Nobody on this trail though, so if you like solitude, this is definitely the trail to take up to the lake. And then from the lake you can go to Poás from there. But yep, just thought I'd fill you in, update you on what's going on. And pretty soon we'll be back with my mama. Well, we made it back. Now we're just gonna get in the car and head back to San Jose. Possibly stop at the Starbucks Plantation on the way, if it's on the way, just to check it out. And then, yeah, that took like 45 to 50 minutes for us to do that whole hike, and that's insane. But it kind of makes sense now because of all the elevation. But yep, let's go. Well, we're pulling into the Starbucks Plantation. Gonna go check this out. Don't know if we're gonna buy something in order to see it, but
all about.
and apparently it's beautiful, so let's go check it out. Oh wow, is it ever pretty in here? Oh wow, look at that, eh? Oh yeah, look at the little coffee pods, Mom. See?
Oh,
These are little berries, coffee berries.